So today we're gonna be cooking in my kitchen, and we're gonna be cooking the best recipe of all recipes. You ready? Hot dogs. Oh yeah, big time. So first thing you gotta do, put your hand in front of you and open the fridge. Oh, by the way, look at my school photo. It's really epic. Here's another photo of me. Here's another photo of me. Here's another photo of me. Got him. And yeah, so let's open my fridge. Yes, my light bulb doesn't work. And you can see I have hot dogs, big hot doggos, right here. So yeah. It's pretty cool hot dogs. Like, they're pretty thick too, just like my, let's not get into that right now. I want to stay monetized. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, you're gonna go here, you're gonna, is this big enough? Yeah, let's go. Okay, so you're gonna put this down, and then what you're gonna do is, you'll see. Okay, so you got the knife, you open it up, bang, 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 shing, shing, shing. Okay, you see this? You just go right down the middle. I don't think that did anything. Oh shit. So, guys, I just got done watching Braveheart, for the 3rd time in my lifetime. I officially don't know how to open fucking hot dogs. Ready, set, yeet. I think I cut the hot dog. I'm stupid. Okay, so yeah, you basically open the bag with the knife. You close the knife up, because you have to be a really good boy. Ooh! Yep. And then you grab something. I'm gonna have to show you. So, after opening it up, you have to grab, what do I grab? This. So you grab something like this, a container. You fill it with water. That's good enough. You take a hot doggo like this, and you just, okay. And then, yeah, you can like put 2 in, like I'm gonna do. And basically, after you do that, you're gonna wanna put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So here we go, putting it in the microwave. There we go. And then, like, as you can see, it says, can it focus? Please focus. Focus, motherfucker, focus. It probably already focused, but like, it says start 30 seconds, and you press it, and you get 30 seconds, and yeah. So I'll catch up to you when it's done. Okay guys, so we got 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. You open it up, you take your hot dogs out, and it's not hot enough. What the fuck? Okay. So, I'm trying to do this with one hand and try not to spill so I don't get my ass beat. Okay, and then you do the same thing for another 30 seconds. Oh, your boy waiting for the hot dogs. Yeah, they're almost ready. 8 seconds left. Okay guys, so they're ready. Okay, so you take them out. They're probably finally ready. Okay, yeah, so they're ready, I think. You gotta feel the hot dog. You gotta wiggle it around a little bit. Okay, so it feels pretty. It smells nice. Feels nice. That's what she said. Let's go. So basically, now you gotta get your hot dog buns. So you get your hot dog buns. What are the hot dog buns? Okay. You got these hot dog buns. Beautiful. And yeah. So I'm just gonna open this up and then slide in my hot dog. So yeah, pretty fun to make some hot dogs. Take 2 buns, get a piece of, I don't know, I don't know where the plates are. Oh, okay, there we go. So I got a plate, you take the buns, you put it on there, and then, so you can see there's the bowl, you get a hot dog, and then you just yeet it in there. Make sure it's firm and nice. Take another bun, then you just take this out and yeet it in there. Alright? You gotta make sure you follow exactly what I do, because it's a very complicated thing to make. You know what I'm saying? Alright? And so yeah. So you can take the water and just throw it all out. Alright? Because that's water conservation. And yeah, time to go get the ketchup. So now I'm getting the ketchup. There it is. Oh yeah, big time. Organic? What the fuck? Okay, whatever. I don't care if it's organic. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. Maybe this will work. Hold up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Am I defying gravity right now? Oh, big time. Okay, that was gay. So, can you see me? Okay, so I didn't know if you could see me, but, let's get a hot dog and, just put some ketchup on it. Cause putting ketchup on a hot dog is, like, pretty cool. Oh! Well, my hot dog's fine. So, yeah. You just take your other hot dog and you go, oh. Bam. And yeah, now you got 2 perfect hot dogs ready for you to eat in your tummy. Oh yeah? So, leave a like if you enjoyed my complicated tutorial on how to make a hot dog. And comment down below what's your favorite topping on a hot dog. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.